Okay, part two, my LS engine build. So I've got my Pontiac GTO transmission, LM7 junkyard motor. I put a cam in it and stuff, valve springs. And then so I've got an adapter because this came out of a Pontiac GTO, so I had to get this bell housing adapter. And the adapter is 0.30 of an inch. Actually, it's just a little bit over, but it'll be okay. So I had to take into account for that between the flex plate and the torque converter. So what I did, I got some of these nuts here, and these actually are 0.31. So it's hard to show you on camera, but what I did, because it's really hard to get these dial calipers, these old rusty calipers, it's really hard to get these in there. So what I did, I lined up I set this nut in here, and then I got two drill bits. I got an 1/8 inch and then a 3/16 inch. Because the tolerance, it's got to be, the torque converter has to be pushed all the way back, and then it's got to be able to come forward at least 1/8 to 3/16 of an inch. Now the reason for this, the torque converter balloons out, and the flex plate absorbs some of that. That's why it's called a flex plate. But if you don't give this the proper, it's got to come forward a little bit. If you don't give it a little bit, that 1/8 to 3/16, there's like the crush washer in there, the thrust bearing, and I mean, dude, it puts a bunch of strain on your motor. It'll balloon out, and it'll your crank bearing, all kinds of stuff can go out. Not to mention the pump inside the transmission. But so right now I just got this. It's just mocked up right now. I just kind of slapped it together to check it for tolerance. I gotta, pull it all back apart and Loctite everything. So, but it is coming along here. Not bad. Hi, buddy. Okay, guys. That's all for today.